Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sunita Rathi, a professional makeup artist and a beauty influencer. Those who are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I run my salon and makeup academy at Bahadurgarh, that is very near to Delhi NCR. Our today's tutorial is about creating how we can create a Diwali Diva look. Yes, festive season is around the corner and we all love to dress up and put lots of makeup on our face. So here we go. For the eye makeup, I'm using Allegal Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. I will apply it on whole of my eyelid and then smudge it with a beauty blender to remove the fine lines and then powder it with a RCMA powder. I'm using Revolution Pro palette in the shade Gold Mine. I will use Bourgeois shade for filling my crease line area. I will blend it smoothly and now taking a lighter color in the shade Elegant on the top of my crease line. Now I'm gonna use Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. I will take this blue color shade and fill my eyelid. Now I'm gonna take the same shade from the Makeup Revolution Pro palette. Bourgeois is the shade name, and I will blend both the blue and brown shade together so that I can get a smooth finish on my crease line. Here I am again using the Makeup Revolution Pro palette in the shade Gold Mine. I will use Bling shade for my brow bone highlighting and the inner corner of my eyes. I will highlight the brow bone at inner corner with the shade Bling and then smooth all the stiff lines on my upper lid eye. Here I am again using Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette and I am using this silver glitters on the center of my eye like this way. These silver glitters will add a glamorous effect on my eyes. Now here I am using Inglot Gel Eyeliner in the shade AMC 77. I will apply it on my liner area. Now I will smudge it with a brush by taking AC Carbon by MAC. This is a black eyeshadow and I will merge this liner. Now I am putting a little bit of MAC black carbon eyeshadow in the outer corner and in the crease line. Now here I am cleaning all my fallouts on the face during my eye makeup. Here I am applying blue color lenses. Now I will clean my face and follow with the concealer part. Here I have used the same concealer in the shade Fawn from the brand Allegal Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer on the darker part of my face, like under my eyes, my chin area, my upper lip area and on my forehead. I will use this small beauty blender to blend it smoothly and it gives a flawless finish to my face. Now here today I am using a Kryolan base in the shade FS28, and I will mix this shade with another shade FS38. I will mix both the shades and apply it with a foundation brush and then blend it with a beauty blender till I get the flawless smooth skin. Now here I am using a Fit Me concealer for highlighting my face in the shade 25 medium, and I will mix it with the concealer from the brand Forever 52 in the shade COV001. Here I am using RCMA Makeup No Color Powder to set my base properly, like this way. To cover my lower lid area with the eyeshadows, I will again use Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, and I will take that blue color in the lower lid area, and then again I am taking the same shade from the previous palette, Makeup Revolution, in the shade Bourgeois. Now I will remove the fallouts from the eyeshadows and I will spread the RCMA powder all over my face to set the base perfectly. Today I am applying a thick lashes to give a perfect diva look on this Diwali occasion. Don't forget to put lots of kajal in the inner rim area of your eye. Here I am using Forever 52 in the shade F501. Now I will give a shape to my face by contouring from the palette Revolution Makeup Iconic Lights and Contouring Pro palette. For the blush, I am using Makeup Revolution London blush palette in the shade Sugar and Spice. Now I am using TNW Rose Water to set my base perfectly, and I will use this Forever 52 highlighter palette. I will use it on my cheekbone area to create a Diwali diva look. I will apply this highlighter on the tip of my nose, my forehead area, my cupid area, my chin and the cheekbones. Now I am filling my lips, outlining the lips with the lip liner and then fill it with the same lip liner. Today I am gonna mix 2-3 shades to fill my eyebrows. I am using L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit. I am using dark brown color and filling my eyebrows and brushing it with a spoolie, and here completes the look. So guys, here is my final look. I hope you liked it and you will follow each and every step at your home comfort at this Diwali festival. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that each and every time when I upload the videos, you will get a notification on your phone. Guys, I will provide each and every details of products in the description box given below. You can just click over there and buy it from there. It's very simple and easy. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye-bye.